Hello, my name is Nick from REED Manufacturing. Thank you for buying the Universal Pipe Cutter, also known as the UPC. This is the model UPC 636A. Upon arrival, you will receive the FRL, the Universal Pipe Cutter, and the water tank. The blades are sold separately. We start off by unboxing the FRL, also known as the Filter Regulator Lubricator. Next, we will unbox the UPC main unit. We start off with the owner's manual along with the hex key set. Next, we have the 3 chain/link assemblies. In this bag, we have the various chain hooks, pins, etc. 3/4 inch and 7/8 inch wrenches, airline lubricant, grease gun and grease tube, and steel wedges. Next, we pull out the motor unit, the air shutoff valve, the handle used for moving the unit, and finally, any motor and connecting frame assemblies. Next, we will unbox the water tank. The water tank requires assembly of the handle. Now that everything is unboxed, we can start assembly and installation. For convenience, you can set the hose on the arm. You might find it easier to fill the water tank before you get on the job site. To fill the water tank, you must remove the pump assembly from the tank assembly. Push the handle down against the spring and into the collar. Rotate 90 degrees and allow the handle tabs to move up into the slot in the collar or in the locked position. Turn the handle counterclockwise until the triangular cap rotates approximately 30 degrees. Hold onto the triangular cap and remove the pump assembly. Fill tank 7/8 full with clean water. To reassemble, insert the pump assembly back into the tank assembly. Rotate the triangular cap clockwise until snug and engage the handle tabs into the slots of the collar or the locked position. Rotate the handle clockwise until tight. Push down on the handle and rotate until the handle tabs are free from the collar. Pump the plunger up and down until it works hard. Warning: this tank is now under pressure and dangerous. Always wear goggles when the tank is pressurized. Today we have 2 UPC blades. Again, the UPC blades are sold separately. We have the blade for ductile iron and also the blade for polyethylene. It is very important to match the blade to the material of the pipe. The blade chart can be found online and in the operator's manual. Let's start by installing the blade. You can install the blade now on a flat surface like a table, or you can install on the pipe. We will be installing the ductile iron blade. Make sure the blade is flat up against the unit and that the lettering is facing outward. Also, make sure that the blade rotation matches the blade you are installing. Make sure the relief side of the washer is facing toward the blade. Tighten the blade down and then replace the blade guard. We will install the air shutoff valve. When installing the air shutoff valve, tighten to a 30-degree angle from the pipe surface, as shown here. For this size pipe, we will only need to use the turnbuckle chain and one of the extra chains, not the third one. Also, we will only be using one of the connecting frames. Install the hooks and pins onto the frame. The bend in the hook should be pointing upward. The pins have a bronze button. Push it in order to insert. Also, insert the hooks onto the UPC main unit. This hook will be upside down. The opening will be facing up.
If possible, stand on the side of the UPC opposite of the turnbuckle. Draw the UPC in a clockwise rotation when viewing the UPC from the blade installation side. There should be a directional sticker on the top of the UPC motor bracket. Note that the blade rotation itself is opposite of the cutter rotation. Rotating the UPC in the wrong direction will cause the unit to immediately stall.